This video is the role and responsibilities of a project manager. It is being done by John Sheehan for the Indiana Institute of Technology for the course Project Management, course MBA 6310. A project manager is a person who's overall in charge of the planning and execution of a particular project. More specifically, they plan, organize, schedule, direct, execute, maintain, and troubleshoot a project so it gets completed on time, stays within budget, and according to the projected scope. The project manager serves as a liaison to the stakeholders or the clients. They are, in essence, overseers and delegators of the project. They need to have leadership skills, coordination abilities, and motivational skills. Project manager has multiple responsibilities. I'm going to list 13 different responsibilities that a project manager will have. During this time, I'm also going to state which of the responsibilities would be my easiest one to deal with and the most difficult for myself to deal with. Responsibility number one is the planning of everything from execution to delivery. That is, the project manager breaks down the project into tasks and even goes as far as breaking them down into subtasks. They set an appropriate schedule for the development of specific deliverables. They define milestones, and they highlight the project's dependencies. Number two, they direct the team to achieve a common goal, negotiating current employees' job responsibilities, managing their time, and achieving the commitment to the project. They also have to deal with bids that may be required or contracts that need to be reviewed and signed off on. Delegating work effectively. They have to understand the strengths and weaknesses of team members, giving the right task to the right team member for optimum performance. This is the most difficult task for myself, mainly because I'm a person that wants to get something done and done right. And when it comes to dealing with the performance, and if I see it's not going right, then I will want to jump in and deal with the task at hand instead of letting the person deal with it themselves. Managing the resource of time. They have to be able to negotiate achievable deadlines to the clients or stakeholders along with the team, and in the areas of objective, process, estimating durations, schedule developments, and control. They need to be able to manage the deployment deliverables, ensuring deliverables are delivered on time and within budget, asking questions such as what is the team doing and when are things getting done and how are they getting done. They need to be able to monitor progress and trafficking roadblocks, keeping track of status reports, meetings, and informal updates, watching for possible issues that arise during the project's progression. They need to be able to conduct regular meetings, keeping the meeting to an agenda or a format so the meeting doesn't go off cue and stays on task. This also allows the project manager and team to stay on the same page. They need to be able to establish a shared vision, a vision that can be shared with the team, and it allows the team to understand the importance of their roles and goals that are needed to achieve the ultimate goal of the project. They need to be able to manage documentation and reports, allows for a written record of what's been done with the project and who's been involved in the project. It also ensures that the project's been satisfied to all the project requirements. This is the easiest task for me. I deal with a lot of documentation and a lot of reports currently, so keeping up with reports and making sure they're done on time and in the right order is something that's very easy for myself. Coming up with Plan B. that prepares for unseen events and circumstances. They have to be able to arrange for extra resources, manage time in difficult circumstances, and have an alternate uh, game plan to justify the expectations of the clients, but also keep the project on task. They need to create a self-governing team, learn new management methodologies, and implement them with the team to allow the team to become more adept in taking on challenges and dealing with the changes in the client requirements that allows them to be more capable in coordinating with the clients and juggling responsibilities. This also allows the team to become more comfortable in changing the roles and working in more than one niche. So it allows team members to be even more valuable than they currently are. They need to be able to keep the team close knit, ensures the team works seamlessly as a single unit, ensures every member of the team gets feedback. Everyone understands their individual roles and responsibilities well. Everyone communicates well within the team, and this ensures the team has enough resources and tools for effective collaboration. They need to be able to coordinate with clients and stakeholders. They must be able to negotiate the needs and requirements of the project with the clients and stakeholders, bringing clarity with the clients and stakeholders on how they should go about the project and the abilities of the team. And this also allows the client and stakeholders to review all work or documentation to determine if changes or improvements are needed in the project, and then be able to execute those needs.